In this video, I will show you how to transfer Wix website to client. In order to do that, head over right here to your settings. And then once you're on your settings, just go look for the rules right here. We have in here the rules and permissions. So click on that right there. And then after that, this will show you this. So as you can see, I'm the only one right here. So if you want to transfer this website to client, I'll head over and click on this change owner option. And then after that, I'll head over and then put in here the email address of client. For example, let me head over and then put in here this particular email address. Once you have added right here an email address, it will ask you what would you describe them as. So I'll describe them as client and then click on continue. And then you can keep your role as co-owner, or you can also just untick this one and then give them all the permission for this particular website. So after that, click on continue and you should be able to transfer it.